Organizing the diversity of insect species is the science of taxonomy. As with plants, insects are classified into a hierarchical structure. The first and broadest group is the domain Eukaryota. Other categories in the structure include kingdom, phylum, subphylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. For example, the classification of the monarch butterfly is as follows. It has the domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropodia, subphylum Hexapodia, class Insecta, order Lepidoptera, family Nymphalidae, genus Danaeus, and species Plexippus. Insect taxonomy uses binomial nomenclature similar to that used for plants, with the species consisting of the genus and a specific epithet, such as the honeybee is Apis mellifera. Characteristics that are used to classify insects include morphological data, such as a structure of mouth parts, body shape and size, antennae and wing venation, as well as genetic information that can isolate an insect's DNA. The sheer volume of species in entomology is overwhelming. It is important that students be familiar with the major groups of insects, especially the insect orders and, in many cases, insect families.